Today on Smackeys Garage, we're going to be doing a simple project. We're going to be changing out the windshield wipers on my 2018 F150. This is something really simple that should just take about 2 minutes to do. So let's go ahead, let's jump into it. So for windshield wipers, there's really two different sets that I use. Either I use the Bosch Icons or I use the Tricos that are on there right now. I've been experimenting with those and so far I've been pretty happy with them. The only thing you do need to remember is to take off the plastic covering on them when you get them, or else it won't work well. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace them now with these Bosch Icons. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, and should be relatively simple, pain-free, and easy. The hardest part is just gonna be able to reach them up there. Okay, so first you essentially need to have your wipers up like this. It makes them much easier to get access to, and you have to get this off. Now, the easiest way to get this off is, for them, there's probably gonna be a little clip in here that you push down, or you can pull out, and then you slide this down. Now, the shape of this is actually gonna be a U under here. So when you do push that down, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna slide it this way, and it should just pop right off. All right, so both windshield wipers are 22 inches. There's gonna be a 22A and a 22B. The 22A is gonna go on the driver's side, 22B is gonna go on the passenger side. I believe there's a slight difference in the angle of where they clip on, and because of that, you get a different part number. And one of the things I like about the Bosch design is this area here is completely covered, gives you a little bit more rigidity here and strength, so it doesn't break as easily. Some of the other ones do have different designs, the Tricos do. These will work all season, but they are probably better in the summer. These are definitely all season, summer through winter. All right, now to get these on, it's relatively simple. If this is closed, you're gonna push these two tabs, open it up like this, and then we're gonna get ready to slide it on. To do that, we're just going to take it like this. We're gonna pass this through this way, then we're gonna put it up, push it up, clip it in, then shut this, and ready to go down. If the other one, all you have to do is same thing, except much further away. Now, the thing you don't want to happen is you don't want these to come slamming down on your windshield. And that's really it. That's as easy it is to put on wiper blades on these F150s. I'll make sure that I link these in the set that's on there in the description below if you want to pick them up. I'll see you next time on Smackey's Garage.